Most of you will recognise machines like this. In fact, it's probably where most businesses start. I'm here at Vernie in the Netherlands. Now, this company has recognised that they're not going to survive by operating machinery like that, and that's probably why this is sited here. In fact, this business is really looking to invest in the latest technology that sets them apart from their competition. And the machine in question that's been installed here recently is the DNX from DN Solutions. Let's find out why. So Alexander, why would someone look at a multitasking machine like this?
Yeah, I mean, the DNX is in the end a transformation or shift model for many customers, especially in Europe, and also this customer here, Vernie, who are facing following situation. These customers are today machining on a traditional turret lathe, which brings kind of limitations. For example, they have a limit of number of tools, they have a limit in setuping their time, and they have a limit of flexibility. But what is important for customers like Vernie is to react fast and flexible on changing components and customer requests. And this is why they made the switch to the DNX, to cover this kind of flexibility.
So tell us about this DNX model. Give us an overview.
Yeah, thank you, Paul. So what does this machine is like? It is our DN Solutions multitasker machine with 60-tool magazine, compact milling spindle to do milling and turning applications, as well main and sub spindle. So overall, a machine which fits into the complete six-sided machining, so done in one machining, yeah? And this is the big benefit, because thanks to the milling spindle, you can now machine your parts while you can set up the next job. And this is now where the customer is getting more productivity time, yeah? And this is the big difference to the turret lathe. He can set up his machine keeps running and making his job, spindles running, customer is happy.
And tell me more about this, because you mentioned earlier about it's not just the benefit of being able to mill, it's the additional stability that this gives you for turning.
Yes, exactly. Thank you, Paul. So in the end, it's called turn mill machine, right? So, and what is important for turning capabilities is, for example, we have a heat serration here to clamp the turning tools very rigid for turning applications. And in combination with the double disc B-axis clamping, we are quite rigid in the machining of really turning parts as well.
Okay, and then from a milling perspective, is this as capable as maybe a machining center, or is there a compromise?
It can never completely replace, let's say, a 5-axis machining center, for example, like the DVF series. But when you look at 6-sided complete machining of turning and milling applications, it's exactly the way where you have to look at. We have here a Y-axis of plus minus 150 millimeter, in addition to more than 100 Newton meter torque in milling. It really gives you a lot of opportunity to do milling applications on this machine.
And what does that Y-axis give you, though, by having that Y-axis?
Yes, exactly.
What does it offer?
Yeah, it is, with plus minus 150 millimeter in its class, the biggest Y-axis for this kind of machines. And here, yeah, it brings you to a complete different level of milling possibilities where the Y-axis is really important.
Okay, so for people that don't know, this axis moving this way, which means you can machine across
this way
the part.
plus 115, this way minus 115. So in total, 230 millimeter Y-axis.
And is there any restrictions on the tool carousel? How many do you have?
Yes, so we have here in the DNX 60 tools. And this DNX is, as I said in the beginning, the shifting model, right? From turret lathe to turn mill. And imagine now you're coming from 12 stations turret to a 60-tool magazine. It's a big change that's giving you many opportunities. Of course, for the customers who even want to go bigger in turn mill, we have also another series with up to 180 tools. But here for the DNX, we are looking at 60 tools operation.
So are there any further options that the customer hasn't opted for on this machine that DN Solutions offer?
Yes, yeah, thank you, Paul. Good question. I mean, in the end, it's a multitasker, right? And the multitasker has a multi kind of options and possibilities. And what options we also have, for example, we have the opportunity to have an NC-driven steady rest here. So NC-driven is really important because that means you can machine in parallel while the NC steady rest can support while you are turning over the part. Yeah, this is independent access from each other. Then we have the combination, like a multitasker, to also measure here. So we can measure our tools, we can measure our workpiece, and we have integrated in the tool magazine a tool brake detection. This means we are detecting the tool brake when the tool is loaded back, not interrupting the machining time here. It's all done in parallel in the back of the magazine. And one further option, what is also a highlight on this machine, is the possibility to have a big main spindle. Yeah? 10-inch main spindle as an option with 80mm hole and up to 450 Newton meter to also be even more powerful in turning.
And what has this done for the customer? What's been the outcome, Alexander?
The outcome now is, I was really happy to have talking with the customer some minutes ago. He was clearly saying his next investments are always looking for turn mill instead of traditional turret lathe, because he sees his big benefits, which are the fast reaction and the flexibility. The operators can set up the machine very quick. He has much lower tool costs because he can use one tool wherever he needed in the working area. Main spindle, sub spindle, in every kind of angle it can be positioned and machined. And overall, yeah, fewer tools, fewer tool costs, fewer setup times, more efficient and more productivity.